Welcome back, fellow fitness enthusiasts, to the wellness site. I'm your host, and today we have something truly exciting in store for you. We all know that building muscles requires dedication, hard work, and the right nutrition. But what if I told you there are specific foods out there that can actually force your muscles to grow? Yes, you heard it right. In this groundbreaking video, we'll reveal the top 10 foods that have the power to supercharge your gains and take your physique to a whole new level. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 10, the first food on our list might surprise you. It's none other than the humble but mighty quinoa. This ancient grain is not only packed with muscle-building protein, but it also contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. Quinoa is easily digestible and provides a steady release of energy, allowing your muscles to repair and grow efficiently. Before further proceeding with the video, if you like to watch healthy tips, then subscribe to our channel Wellness Site now. And also like the video. Moving on to number 9, wild-caught salmon. This delicious fish is an excellent source of high-quality protein, and is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are known to reduce inflammation in the body, promote muscle recovery, and even enhance protein synthesis, leading to greater muscle gains. Plus, the healthy fats in salmon can support overall joint health, allowing you to train harder and longer. Number 8 brings us to a true powerhouse of nutrition, Greek yogurt. This creamy delight is not only rich in protein but also contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a sustained release of amino acids to your muscles. Greek yogurt also offers a healthy dose of calcium, which is essential for muscle contractions and overall bone health. Now, brace yourself for number 7, almonds. These crunchy little wonders are a true treasure trove of muscle-building nutrients. Packed with protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E, almonds provide the perfect fuel to support muscle growth. Additionally, their high magnesium content helps regulate muscle function and aids in protein synthesis. We're halfway through our list, and at number 6, we have broccoli. Don't be fooled by its unassuming appearance. This cruciferous vegetable is a muscle-building powerhouse. Broccoli is packed with vitamins C and K, which are essential for collagen production and promoting healthy bones. It also contains a compound called indole 3-carbinol, which has been shown to reduce estrogen levels, thereby enhancing the muscle-building effects of testosterone. Number 5 introduces us to one of the most versatile foods on the planet, eggs. These nutritional powerhouses are an excellent source of high-quality protein and contain all the essential amino acids your muscles need for growth. Eggs also provide essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in muscle function and overall health. Coming in at number 4, we have one of my personal favorites, lean beef. Rich in high-quality protein, lean beef supplies your muscles with the necessary amino acids for growth and repair. It's also an excellent source of iron, zinc, and B vitamins, all of which are crucial for optimal muscle function and energy production. Now, let's talk about number 3, sweet potatoes. These delicious tubers are not only a great source of complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, but they're also rich in potassium and vitamin C. Potassium aids in muscle contractions, while vitamin C supports collagen synthesis, making sweet potatoes an ideal food to fuel your workouts and support muscle growth. As we near the top of our list, we arrive at number 2, spinach. This leafy green is a true nutritional powerhouse. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, spinach supports overall muscle function and recovery. It's especially rich in magnesium, which helps relax your muscles and aids in post-workout recovery. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the ultimate food that forces your muscles to grow. Drum roll, please. Number 1, wild blueberries. These tiny, Yet mighty berries are bursting with antioxidants that help fight inflammation and oxidative stress caused by intense workouts. Blueberries also contain a compound called pterostilbene, which has been shown to enhance muscle growth and improve endurance. So, whether you add them to your post-workout shake or enjoy them as a tasty snack, wild blueberries are a must-have for muscle growth. And there you have it, the top 10 foods that force your muscles to grow. Incorporating these powerful foods into your diet will not only help you achieve your fitness goals but also enhance your overall health and well-being. Remember, food is fuel, and choosing the right fuel can make all the difference in your journey to a stronger, fitter you. That wraps up today's video, my fellow wellness warriors. If you found this information valuable, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the Wellness Site channel for more exciting content like this. And as always, stay committed, stay consistent, and stay well. This is your host signing off, until next time.